So what's up, guys? Let's quickly carry out a case study on this strategy again. So like I already have addressed this in our one of our live chats sometimes ago, but it's just what it is. So the case study is according to the strategy, any token that has airdrop and the airdrop are claimed, when it's listed together with feature, which is referred as perpetual. Now immediately it's been listed, we know what to do. But in some cases there is a manipulation which causes some of us that are not being able to handle our trade, causes us some losses, something like that. So I have two options. The first option is either if you cannot follow the first one, you do the second one. So the first one is either you get sub account. The sub account you are getting, let's assume I'm using like $150 for this strategy. I will use only, let's say, $100 for my main account, or let's say $130 for my main account. Then I will now take this $20 to the sub account if I want to play safe. The sub account, I will be using it as a baby account. Maybe I'm going to set it to 1x. Immediately it's been boom. You know, even as at then, you will not be allowed to enter the trade. But there is something I used to do. I'm not ready to expose that. I used to get into the trade even before something like that. So let's forget about that for now. So immediately the token is being listed. You know, before we don't have all this downtime, all this layover downtime. After some time, you don't need to rush to enter the trade. You need to calm first. There is their manipulation that they used to carry out just to liquidate people, and which is they will first take you the 15-minute first candle. The second 15 minutes we now engulf the first 15-minute candle, which will be the one that will liquidate people out of the market. It's almost happen most time. I have observed it. So now that 15 minutes, the other 15-minute candle is either you enter the trade with 1x and increase it when it's coming down. If you eventually enter on the second 15 minutes and the trade is, the manipulation is still ongoing, I will advise, the way I am trading, I use sub accounts to enter the trade first. Then once I see that, yeah, it's good for me, then I enter with my lion account. Then I cash out whatever I want to cash out, run the market till the very end down. So you enter with either 1x. It's advisable that it's not advisable to enter with big LH. So don't use big ledge. Use the small ledge to enter and see how the market reacts. No matter what, even if you have $5, I am not sure that even that $5 is going to be liquidated, because no matter how it move, you still, though even after you increase it, they may still do some nonsense, but even as at that, you will be in a safer side. That is how I train. So let me quickly show you a candle that explain that, if I can find one. Now pay attention to this. As you can see, this is math. You see the way it is. This is the first 15-minute candle, and this is the second 15-minute candle. So I entered my trade in the second candle, and I just take out small, just my baby account. I did not even trade with my Lion account. I just used this, my practical account, and with just how much do I use like maybe $20 as at the time I do this trading, this math. So, and immediately I saw this second candle that I'm explaining, this second candle. Immediately I saw that it has engulfed this, meaning that this second candle has surpassed the first 15-minute candle. Then I enter my trade, and look at the way the market drive down. The market disgrace from 3 to almost 1.6, though I pull out around 2.5 because I set my TP at 2.5 because I was very busy. It's just that I wanted to trade this month because they refused to give me airdrop, and I participated, but they refused to give me. That's why I want to at least get even our dollars from them. So that is the reason why I took this trade. So if you notice me, I come out at the third candle. Look at this. This is the first candle. I did not enter. The second candle, if you notice, look at it here. I short. This is the third candle that take me out from the trade. So I made my profits, and everybody smile. The market smiled at me. I also smiled at the market back. So now, how did I do this trade? This my baby account trade. I use 4x leverage as at the time I enter the trade, because I just put only $20. I know that I said you should use like 1. Now, as it goes, I enter around 3.2, and it's pushed to 3.4. As I see that it's coming down, immediately it reached this moment here. Though the market can be so funny sometimes, immediately I see that it comes here. Before immediately I went back and increased my LH. What I mean by LH is leverage. I don't want to be spoiling it. So immediately I increase my left. As I increase it, and it starts reflecting, though it will not give you the decent amount like you enter with the correct leverage, though it give me some good, but not like the original. Like now, if you enter like with 50x or 10x or initially 10x, the one that is going to give you it will be more than the one you just to maximize your profit. So now, after that, I just set my TP and move out of the market, and this is very simple. So this is the case study on how to. So now, if you want to increase your leverage after you are in a trade, you just come here. You come to this place here. Immediately you are in the trade and you see that the market is going in your favor. You just click this place here. You see this place, that 2x, right? You just click it. You can increase it to any amount of x. You can increase it. So you can just increase it to 10, to 5, to whatever you want to increase, and your position is going to increase. Look at this. Your position is going to increase immediately. So once the market is going fully in your direction, the leverage that you increase is going with it. I pray they should not tamper with this again, because this is just the case study on how I enter the trade and how I minimize my profits. So on this strategy, I can show you that not any strategy is 100% correct. I have been liquidated before on this same strategy, but it was only once, and that was due to my maybe forgetting or something, because I entered trade with 50x that I set using a baby account, using just a $10 account. It was the time I started using two sub accounts, so I actually put the left to almost 20x. I forgot that it was baby account. So as the market moved, it moved against me and it got me out of the market. And immediately I see it, I still recovered my fund, because I have to immediately activate my Lion account. And immediately before some blinking of an eye, I got my profit back with additional. So this is just as simple as it. So if you have any question again, please do not hesitate to ask in the platform, and I will be there to answer any of your question. And to those of us, I see that the FS class, is not that is not how do I put it? It's not encouraging due to the turn up. So that's really actually discouraged me, and I decided to hold on first and filter some topics, that because I know that all we want to know is we want to know how to do this. How can I do this? We don't want to hear any story. We don't want to pay attention to those. So I noticed that, and I am trying to make adjustments. My system got faulty, and I tried fixing it. It's not working, so I just order for new system, probably tomorrow or a day after tomorrow. If delivered, we are going to start again, and we see how we can do. And also for the crypto people, and also for the other MemeCoin that I keep promising and I'm still unable to fulfill your promise, I assure you this time around I am going to work along with each and every one. Already I have found all my accounts back, and we shall continue trading together. So please just be patient, and I really appreciate your patience, and I really appreciate, seriously, thank you so much for your always support. So if you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask in the community, the WhatsApp community, the Telegram community, and also other stuff like that. Please do not fall for anybody. I will never ask you to send me money or ask you to DM me. If that's needed, if I will rather write in the platform and tag you. And if you want to ask me any question, if you send in a message, always tag me in the community. No matter what, I must come back to community and check, and I will see those who tag me, and I used to reply those people. Some people message me, and I receive a lot of message. Aside from that, doing other stuff, so I won't be able to answer all. Only when you tag me, I will be able to answer your question. So peace.